To create a newspaper overlay effect for your portrait in Canva, begin by placing your photo on a black background. Remove the photo's background if needed. Now convert your portrait to black and white. Edit the photo, go to Adjust, set saturation to -100 and increase contrast to around 60. Download this as a PNG. Add a newspaper texture from the Elements tab or upload your own. Position it and download it as a separate PNG. On a new page, upload both PNG files. Open the Blend Image app from the Apps section. Place the newspaper as the bottom layer and your portrait as the top layer. Set the blend mode to multiply and add the result to your design. Finally, select the blended image, edit the adjust settings, and fine-tune the brightness and contrast for your final look.